This is the blue elevator 14 at the School of Nursing at UPMC Mercy Hospital in Uptown, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here it is. It parks on 3. That fire hat's sideways. There's PA elevators. I wonder if he did that.
I did that.
I think this was originally on Marshall or something. Up to 11?
Wait, I'm coming.
I know I hit the door open button. It's the MCE just closes when you press the button. Here you go. Lamps were off before the door even halfway finished closing. Should be an indicator on both sides, but there's only an indicator on this side. Live with Monitor PC. This looks like a slightly older mod. Vibrating. Here at 11. 2-speed doors are rather wide. Building B. We'll go back down to 2. Basic SnapCabs. You can see the old cab underneath the SnapCabs. I think this SnapCab was just put on rather weirdly. The 2 lights very dim. You kind of see a flicker over there too.
All they did was glue it.
SnapCabs are so cheap. Oh wait, they don't even have the top of the SnapCab like they normally do. The silver thing that says SnapCab, they don't even have that. He likes pressing buttons. How close enough to be?